Hey, hi, I'm Arif Vakil. I'm a trustee at ILM Montessori, Koramangala, Bangalore. And today I'm going to give you a brief overview of this brilliant material called the Spindle Box. Now the child is deep into arithmetic. They have advanced through the sensorial material, worked on the arithmetic material number rods. As a recap of the number rods, these are what number rods look like. This represents the unit 1, this represents the unit 2. Now while these numbers, the child has heard of these numbers, they've worked with these numbers, they realize that 2 is more than 1, 2 is bigger than 1, 2 is heavier than 1, 2 is precisely 1 and 1, yet 2 is just still, in a sense, one unit. What if they're not one unit? How do we teach the child that 2 can be 2 individual units? And that's where this brilliant material spindle box comes in. And I just love the genius of Maria Montessori, how she has so gradually helped the child move from one to the other by the material itself and while tactically learning this and not by a blackboard or by notebooks. So this spindle box consists of 2 boxes. You can see the numbers are labeled from 0 to 4 and 5 to 9. And they're exactly 45 spindles. I have kept some spindles outside. When the child works with the material, all the spindles are outside. The child is now comfortable with the number and the spindle, so the child counts. He just has to put the spindles in. 1, all right, I'm going to put 1 in. Done. 2, let me put 2 in. 2, the 3 is already inside here, there are 3 spindles, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to put these 8 spindles in here. And 9. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to put these 9 spindles here. Done! All the spindles are done. But hang on. There's no spindle here. What's this? There's something new. I've not been taught this before. And that's how the child learns, oh, if there is no spindle there, if it is empty, it's nothing. And nothing is represented by this number called 0. And by working with the material over and over again, not only the child realizes that 2 need not necessarily be 2 just like this, but it can be 2 in 2 individual units. So can be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But when there is nothing there, the child learns that's 0.